Hey guys, what is up? This is Rai and welcome to another video. Isang mabilis lang na unboxing to. I-share ko sa inyo one of the sneakers na nabaon na sa limot. I've had this pair for months since last year pa to eh. So, wala pa ng 1 year sa akin to. Pero yeah, samahan nyo ako mag-unbox ng isang Reebok pair in collaboration with Capcom. Yan. So, nakaano nga pala ako guys, yung Jurassic Park Beat Mix na bugbog na sa akin. At yeah, ito yung box, muna na box oh. So, may artwork pa siya oh. Mga characters from Street Fighter. So, we have E-Honda, Blanka, Chun-Li, Ryu, Zangief, Dhalsim, si Guile to, natakpan ng Street Fighter branding, Balrog, Ken, Sagat, and Vega. So, wala si M. Bison dito, the big boss. Anyway, and may branding tayo ng Reebok dyan. Vector logo, Reebok Street Fighter Champion Edition. Then, ang pair na to guys is the Shaq Attack. Size 11. So, buksan natin agad. Yun. Ganda. So, hindi lang ka ata napipick up ng tissue paper, pero may illustrations ulit to ng mga characters. Ayan. At yeah, ito yung importante dyan, the pair itself. So, this is the left shoe. Oop. So, syempre yung materials niya, mix of different materials din. Colors is parang kung yung color nitong logo na nasa pump yan, parang red, yellow, and blue. Ganun yung color nung shoe mismo. So ito parang maroon, yellow, tapos teal dito sa banda dito sa may heel. So meron tayong suede dito sa toe area. Leather tong overlay na to, tong makapal na overlay na yan. Itong black na to parang nubuck, tapos suede din tong form stripe na to na yellow, suede din tong teal part na to. Meron tayong yung eyelets may gold dito. Yan. Tapos out of the box meron tayong black na flat cotton laces. Dito sa left shoe meron tayong Reebok branding. Gradient siya from red to yellow. And tapos yung right shoe may Shaq branding. Ganon din, gradient red to yellow. Sock liner, meron siyang pattern dyan. Tapos si Kami ba yan? Kasi Kami, no? Yeah. So, may insoles niya, may artwork din. Ayun. So, may artwork din sa insoles. So, like I said, I've had this for months. Never ko pa itong na-picturean man lang. Never ko siyang, of course, nagawa ng content. Hindi ko pa rin nasusuot. Ni sukat, di ko pa ito nasusukat. Pero yeah. This was from Reebok Philippines. Pero I believe wala na siya ngayon, all out na siya ngayon. Join Team Reebok Philippines kasi baka may mga sellers pa nagbibenta nito. Ito pala yung pump niya guys. So nakalagay yung Street Fighter branding, Champion Edition. Tapos may Capcom branding dito, tapos may Reebok branding dito. Yan. So like I said, this is just a start of an entire series of videos featuring pairs na nabaon na sa limot kasi nabaon siya literally sa rubble of boxes of sneakers. Pero yun lang. Thank you for watching.